What's going on, guys? Junior here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube, and today we got another spotlight for you. This is Dustin's 2007 Classic Chevy Silverado 2500 Duramax with the LBZ. Let's go check it out.
You see that big bull rolling on the block, looking oh so mean, gripping on the road on the 35 jack to the sky so high. Oh my, we ride on the 14 wide with the custom grill, when the bows poking out right above the wheel wells and the double stacks. Yeah, we rolling cold. What we gonna do next, man? Ain't nobody know, cause there ain't nobody telling me how to live my life. From the X to the Z's, gonna pin my ride, cause it's ecstasy when I get inside in the bucket seats, windows right.
All right, guys, so starting out with the wheel and tire setup, he has the 20x12 Anthem Rogues in the satin black finish. These come in at, here, hang on, let me grab the old dollar bill ski out. We're gonna do a bill test quick. So these are 12 wides. They've got a little bit of a lip in here, you can see as well, with the simulated bead lock. But in front of the spokes, bill's 6 inches, that's why we use it. You have about 5 inches there. Between the spokes, you have, just a little bit under a full 6-inch lip on your 20x12. These are wrapped in a 35, 12.5/20 Versatyre MT HD. So with this Anthem Off-Road and VersaTyres setup, you're looking at about $3,200 for that wheel and tire package. Now, that's gonna be with free mounting, free balancing, and free shipping to the lower 48 states. Pairing that with a 4.5-inch BDS lift kit, you're looking at about $2,100 there. So putting that together, you're at about $5,300 total for your wheel, tire, and suspension setup. So looking at that 35, 12.5 with the 12 wides on a 4.5-inch lift. Now, he had 14 wides on here before, so that was gonna rub more than this does, but looking in here at the trimming he has done, he has a full NorCal, like the most you can do. So if you come in here real quick, you can see he has a lot of room here. When he had the 14 wides on here, it was gonna rub more, but having this full NorCal, these 35s on the 12 wides don't rub at all. He's got about 3 inches trimmed off the front as well, and a little bit of trimming on the fender liner here too, to kind of clean it all up. And this setup does not rub at all. Dustin uses this truck, he tows a lot, so he wants to have full lock without worrying about rubbing. He tows my boxes when they break a lot too, so I know this thing can pretty much do anything. He's got some rock lights in here as well to light it up at night. Now, if we go towards the front on this thing, you can see that he is missing part of his grill. No big deal, he's getting a new one, hopefully, he tells me. But he has some custom headlights here as well. Factory grill, factory front bumper, nothing too crazy there. It sounds like this year he's got some plans to go wild. So if you have anything you want to see on his truck, make sure to drop a comment below, give him some ideas. He's looking to go all out for 2022. Now, going down the side of this thing, it's kind of crazy. You can see this paint in the light. It's almost got like a teal look to it. You can see the amount of flake it's got and the amount of like scrub lines that are there, but hey, it's okay. You can see he's also got these painted to match. He's got some aftermarket tow mirrors here. I don't honestly know the brand, but they got pretty much everything on them. They've got the heat, they've got the blinkers, they've got the reverse lights, they've got the lighting here, painted to match. These look real nice. Looking inside of the truck, we got a 3-pillar setup here with some Banks I-dash gauges. He's got like 8 different gauge settings per thing. So he could basically have 24 different gauges that he's monitoring at any given time with this 3-bay setup. Past that, he's got a 7-inch touchscreen in here and pretty stock other than that. I mean, it's 2007, it's got the Bose system in it, looks pretty decent. Going towards the back then, he has a bed cover on here. He has a drop hitch. Like I said, he does a lot of towing with this thing. Then he's got some aftermarket smoke tails as well to kind of round it all out. So obviously the wheel and tire setup's about $5,300. He's got some other accessories and things that are gonna add up to more than that, but you can check that out. Get your build started at customoffsets.com. You can check this thing out in the gallery. Links will be down below. That's all we got for you. Peace.